Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video from Heidi's sale that she had, Handmade by Heidi, and it's all Christmas stuff, so I'm so excited to show you. And then later on we're going to do at least one of the tutorials for 25 days of Christmas using this stuff. So I love that she packs everything in turquoise. I think that's one of her favorite colors too. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, and it's always so well wrapped. It's just so cute. Okay, I want to see what's in here. Oh, it's a little jewelry cloth she included. That's so cute. Thanks, Heidi. That is so cute. I like that. Oh, and then a little thank you gift. So there's some beads in here. She always includes a little cute mix. So maybe I can use some of this stuff for my challenge. Cute little snowflake Christmas tree, which I don't know how I let that happen. I'm all out of Christmas tree charms. Like, what are you thinking, Brittany? Okay, I love these little bells. So cute. And then we have some nice glass beads. Oh, there we go. Ooh, and some crystals too. Thank you, Heidi. That's so sweet. I love that. Okay, let's dig in. I kind of remember what I ordered, but not really. Oh, these are so cute. They're little snowmen. And they're handmade by Heidi, hence the name of her group on Facebook. I will include a link below for when she has her next sale. Look at this hand-painted little snowman. He's so cute. And there's nice little snowflakes on the back. So cute. Possibly turn them into a pendant or a bracelet. I think I bought some type of bracelet bar. I can't remember. Oh, she included some candy canes. Yummy. And I got a bunch of these. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but actually they fit really well with our challenge. So they're little mittens and hats. So they're double-sided. We've got this pink mitten. So cute. I, of course, got the turquoise mittens. So adorable. I got blue, baby blue and turquoise hats. So cute. And pink. Oh, and the red mitten too. These are so adorable. Very simple, but very cute. And they're perfect for earrings. We're going to have to do an earring blitz with Heidi's stuff. So I got that in 4 different colors. Pink, red, blue, turquoise. Yeah. 4 different colors. And then I still have stuff from Heidi from last year, so I got to do something with that stuff too. Oh, I love these little word beads. Oh, these are perfect. So we have one that says naughty and nice. And then we have one that says naughty or nice. I love these. I'm definitely making myself a bracelet stack with these. So cute. And I have the peppermints from last year. Oh, so cute. I love those. So far, those are my favorite. Although the little snowmen are so cute. And then, oh, a little gingerbread house. One year I made gingerbread men for earrings and I gave them away. These are so cute. I love the texture on the house. This is so cute. I want to eat it. It looks like a cookie, but it's not a cookie. Forbidden cookie. This is so cute. Heidi, those are adorable. So I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 gingerbread men too. Aren't they adorable? I'm probably not going to make everything, use everything, because I need to hoard them for a little bit too. So maybe it's time to bust out the stuff from last year. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm going to have to hoard the gingerbread men in the houses for a little while because those are just so sweet. I got some gnomes in turquoise. Oh my goodness. Look at them. I love them. They are so sweet. Look at those little fat noses. I love them. So cute. And then I also got them in red. She had actually run out and I was like, Heidi, please make more. So she made me a pair. Thank you so much, Heidi. Look at those little red nose. They're so cute. I love them. My goodness. So adorable. Oh, and she put in more candy. That's one of my favorites. Yummy. And then a few more beads. So I have this Bracelet Bar, which is a cardinal, and I want to keep it for myself, but my mom really likes cardinals, so I don't know. I don't know. Oh, look, the back has a little flourish with little birdies on it too. So cute. Love the hand painting. This is beautiful. Thank you, Heidi. And then we have some beads. Oh, I got some little reindeer. So cute, little Rudolph, because he has a red nose. So adorable. I love that the back is textured too. And then last but not least, this was a quick haul. It makes me sad. We have the little flowers that match the cardinal, which I'll probably just end up making a bracelet using some of these, possibly some check beads and the bracelet bar for myself. So, okay, I'll go get my box that I have Heidi's stuff in, and we'll put everything in. Okay, so here's the box that I keep all of Heidi's beads in, but I forgot. I also have like a clear plastic drawer from the Dollar Tree that I put some of her pendants in. I even have some pendants that are not in here, so they need to make their way in here. But I need another box for Heidi's stuff. So I have an empty, oh gosh, let's move it over this way. I have an empty thing right here. These are actually things that I made, so these can come out, the ones that are in the bottom here. I just have to find a new spot for them. They've been chilling there for a while. So fun having Artisan beads. I love them so much. Okay, so I'm going to move those up there. This is Christmas right here. So what I'm going to do is move Halloween. And then I feel like these beads and the gnomes, the beads, the gnomes, the bracelet bar are all going to go in here because they're a little larger. They're going to take up a little bit more space. I'm going to put these back in there, little plastic baggies, so I can just keep them together. So those will go in there, and I think we're going to put the gingerbread in here, the house and the men. Okay. So now we have beads, and I'm counting these as beads even though they're like little charms. I'm going to keep these in the baggie though, so I can quickly pop them in and out. So last year I did get some Rudolph beads, but they're very different from this year's, although they do have the rhinestone in them. So and then I had some snowflakes, these candy cane beads, and some lentils. And then I also had these poinsettia beads, which I need to use. I need to use some of this stuff during our challenge this year. But anyway, I am going to put the reindeer in with the other reindeer and the snowflakes. And I guess I didn't need to clear that much because I ended up putting more in the drawer than I thought I would. But I'm going to put the naughty and nice over here. And I'm actually going to move the peppermint in with the naughty and nice because they were taking up too much space. And then I'll put these flowers in with these flowers. Heidi's gonna need a new case soon, unless I use up some of the beads. But I don't like doing that. I like hoarding them. Okay, so stay tuned because we will have a video using some of these beads for the 25 days of Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. What you doing today? You want to lay on Mommy, huh? The blanket comes out and you come running. Yeah. Hi, cutie. Hi, little girl. Yeah, you're so floofy. So floofy. Yes, you were so cute.